Good afternoon, this is Keith Packard with the Rev RV Group, and I want to introduce you to the all-new 2020 Holiday Rambler Invicta 34M. This is a brand new product, a brand new floor plan, and it's going to hit a price point that you're going to love. So right from the get-go, you've got a new aggressive front cap with LED lights. It really stands out, and it's going to make you the envy of the campground. As you walk around to this side, you'll see 22.5-inch wheels. Now, previously, our medium price product had 19.5-inch wheels, but we've upgraded it to the 22 to give it more of that bus look. You also have side vision cameras in both of the side view mirrors. You have a wind sensing awning, which obviously we don't have it out today. Also, you've got a partial paint. So you've got partial paint on the front cap, partial paint on the rear cap, and then graphics that simulate a paint fade going back across this entire beautiful motorhome. One of my favorite features of this beautiful motorhome is a 50-inch exterior TV. So you've got the awning out, shrimp on the Barbie, frosty cold beverages, and you're watching your favorite game. In addition to that, there's a Bluetooth radio that's located in the bedroom that runs these two speakers outside. So when you're out here in the party area, you're gonna rock the box. Underneath the awning, having a beautiful day. One of the newer features that we have on this price point coach is a rear cap. So front caps are always there, but a rear cap is beautiful, and it's going to integrate the partial paint along with the vinyl graphics. Welcome to the inside of the all-new 2020 Holiday Rambler Invicta 34MB. There's a couple of great features in this motorhome that are brand new and particularly new to this price point. This coach is feature-packed, and we're going to start up at the dash so you can see it up here. At the dashboard, you're going to see two monitors, and I point that out because most of my competitors at this price point don't have two monitors. One of the monitors is for your side vision and rear vision cameras. The other monitor is for your audio visual. The neat thing about the rear vision and side vision cameras is you can run a split screen on this monitor, so you can have all three views as you're rolling down the road. If you notice, you've got a full blackout screen for privacy, and below that on the dashboard is a collision mitigation system. So this collision mitigation system monitors your proximity to coaches or other vehicles in front of you. And if you get too close, it's going to give you an audible tone. You can also turn on the lane departure feature, which if you start to drift out of your lane, you'll also get an audible tone. Now, because this is aftermarket, obviously, it doesn't do anything with the steering and braking, but it is going to make you aware if your proximity gets too close for safety. In addition, one of the other features that come with this brand new motorhome is our laptop tray. Now, if you remember, those of you who are my age, back in 1987, when this first came out, this was designed specifically for a sewing machine. Yeah, nobody uses those anymore. So this is for a laptop. I love pointing this out because this height aloft is chain driven, utilizing the Happy Jack system. So this, unlike my competitors, is not a twin bed, it's a queen bed, a 60 by 80 queen. And also, unlike my competitors, it doesn't hold 200 pounds, 300 pounds, 500 pounds, it holds 650 pounds. Now, in addition to up front, let's take a look at the Galley, because this has some great new features as well. Solid surface countertops, not something like this in my competitors. In addition to that, look at this gorgeous farm sink. Turn on HGTV. This is the bomb on HGTV, and now you've got it in your motorhome. In addition to that, you've got stainless steel microwave convection oven, stainless steel LP gas range. You've got a 3-burner LP on top, and this beautiful splash guard that comes up to keep all of that off of your tile. This is tile. It's not wallpaper, it's tile. It's not stick-on plastic, it's tile. It's real honest-to-goodness tile. Standard feature in all REV motorhomes is the auto generator start. The auto generator start starts with 3 criteria. If the system is on, it's going to start if the batteries get low. Automatically start. You don't have to do a thing. Automatically start, charge your batteries, so when you come back from looking at the biggest ball of string, your beer's cold. The other thing that's going to do it, and this is great if you got a critter. I don't care if it's a cat, a dog, a parrot, a ferret. If you have a critter and you don't want to leave the dog alone in the motorhome on a hot day, you have the auto gen start turned on. If the AC needs to come on, the generator will automatically start, cool down the coach, so you don't come back to parboiled pooch. It is a great feature. We do dog shows. That is amazing, because back in the day, I would have had to have the Jenny running all day, putting hours on my generator, in addition to that, using fuel. Here, it only comes on when you need it. Amazing. The other criteria for the auto gen start is time. You can set it for a quiet time. Currently, it's defaulted from 10 p.m. to 8 a.m., but you can change that as you want. This is the greatest feature. Residential refrigerator, bigger than a gas absorption refrigerator, no LP gas bursting into flames, none of that. And you've got the auto generator start 2,000 watt pure sine wave inverter. That makes this viable. In addition, look at these beautiful feature walls. This is a gorgeous feature wall. Your 40-inch TV, your fireplace that kicks out 5,200 BTUs of heat, so when you're plugged into shore power and it's a chilly morning, you turn that bad boy on and it'll cook you out of here. And look at this gorgeous feature wall. Talk about residential living. But wait, there's more. I know it sounds like a Ginsu Knives commercial, but wait till you see this pantry. So when I'm working a retail show for my dealers, one of the biggest complaints we get from the ladies who walk into the motorhome is they never feel we have enough pantry. This is the pantry of the gods. So you've got this first portion, it opens up and you have a whole nother pantry behind it. And not only on this side, but you also have it on this side as well. So another great feature in the Invicta is washer dryer. That's right, it's a gas motorhome. It's a 34-foot gas motorhome. Usually you only have a little Splendide all-in-one washer and dryer. But in this particular motorhome, you have two options for washer and dryer. You can get the Splendide all-in-one, which gives you a little more hanging space because you've only got the lower portion done, or you can do the washer and dryer. You're going to lose a little hanging space, but you're going to be able to do larger loads. All the Invictas come pre-wired and pre-plumbed, so if it doesn't have it in it, it can be added. So back here in the bedroom, you've got a king bed. Yes, a king bed in a 34-foot motorhome. And look at all this overhead storage up here. It's great. On this side of the coach, you have two his and hers wardrobes. Look at all the storage. Look at all the drawers. And remember outside I mentioned that radio that's Bluetooth? You have a Bluetooth radio in the dash, but you also have a Bluetooth radio here. And this is the radio that rocks the box on the outside. The 34 MB Holiday Rambler Invicta, new for 2020.